So let me do something for you.
This is authentic. This is what she does.
Hey guys. All right.
Yeah,
Okay.
reproduce it.
Where did you find these?
It was gifted to me.
Very cool.
It was gifted to me.
Very, very cool.
And she does another one. This is a different.
So these pieces itself are going to be worth more as a collector value. I mean, they are real, but they're going to be worth more because they are collector value. So
What does collector value mean?
that means that this is actual NASCAR. This is the biggest fan edition right here.
Okay.
So this pieces itself are going to be worth more because it's NASCAR. Let me do something here real quick. Is there a number? So they're both prong set on these right here.
And what's the prong mean?
That means that the prong is actually holding it in here, but this is the design itself is the actual key. What I'm trying to figure out though, give me just a second because this might actually be something worth a lot. Hold on, just 1 second. Car show keys.
Say it again.
Fred Nash. So that's what the FN stands for. Fred Nash car show keys. So apparently if you had like the nicest car or you won something in the show, these were the prizes that you got in this car show. You know, like Rick Ross, he has the Promised Land and he does those keys that he gives out. That's what these appear to be. So when I looked them up, so whoever, let's see the boxes. Yeah, Fred Nash cars, the NASCAR show. So whoever had the nicest cars won these as prizes. So these were the prizes. They're definitely real. They're sterling silver. But yeah, these were the prizes that you won in the car show. So
And
this
what would
as
you estimate to make something? If I wanted to remake this, like
you wanted to remake
if y'all
this.
was to remake this, and I got permission to, if I got a
remake
letter
this?
stating that I got permission,
to remake these
exactly,
exactly like it. I don't know if you'd be able to use it under Fred Nash's name.
But if I got a permission,
If
a
you
letter,
got their permission, yeah, you can
On
remake
letterhead.
it. Yeah. Let me weigh them. Let's get an idea what they weigh. So just so you know this key right here is gonna weigh 71.2 grams. This one and this one right here is gonna weigh 76.2 grams. Okay. Each of your chains, this chain I weighed up separately. It's gonna be 25.6 grams.
Okay.
This curved chain. And then this one is gonna be 18.6 grams.
Okay.
So it's hard to tell a good estimate value, but these are heavy keys. Like I said, these are Fred Nash's car show. If you probably had to make something over like this right here, custom the way it is, you're probably looking somewhere about $3,000 to $3,500 per piece to remake custom.
Just to make one?
Yes.
Why?
It's heavy, it's solid. This is solid.
Oh.
It's solid, and it's also a custom piece.
Wow.
So with the necklaces, you know, that's just a rough estimate now. And
does that include the case, or that's just the jewelry?
That's
It don't
just the
include
jewelry.
Hey, on top of it.
Separately. That would be something separately.
So
from
that
the jewelry.
quote is without
the
case.
case. That would be a custom piece. Kind of comparable, if I had to say, to like Rick Ross, what he does on his car shows. They also win keys.
Okay.
So that's what it reminded me of. So
And where you from, and how'd you know about that?
So I actually looked it up. So about Rick Ross, I'm actually a follower. So I'm a fan. But as far as the keys, this is what it reminded me of when I saw them, was the Rick Ross car show at the Promised Land.
And where are you originally from?
I'm originally from Alabama. So
What part?
what part? Around Birmingham.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yep. All right.
So I hope
Thank
that
you.
helped you, and good luck to you. Are you going to be selling these?
Yeah, right.